Okay, I'm gonna show you where your fuse box is at here on your 2010. This is a Infiniti G37X. And that X lets you know, hey, this is a 4-wheel drive. So all-wheel drive, or you could click it into all-wheel drive, but I'm gonna show you where the fuse is. My son had this little fuse right here to go out. His cigarette lighter didn't work for charging his phones. So it's 3 locations that I know of where your fuse boxes are at. So let's start under the hood. So if you raise the hood and you're looking at it, you look to the right. And right here is fuses. Only thing you need to do is just pull this up and pull the other side and it'll come right off. So I don't know what this fuse is for, but it is a fuse box under there, and it tells you right here you got your relay for horn, auto theft, and some more stuff. So you can read what it is. And the other fuse box is right here where it says battery. You see right here it says battery, and I'm recording this early in the morning before I go to work, but you just go ahead and click this off. Okay, and this is your other fuse box right here. You just push this in and it'll come right off. Push on the other side and you see you got fuses right there. And like I said, you can look right on here and you can see what each fuse consists of. Horn. So that's what those 2. And the fuse we had to change for the power, or for the cigarette lighter, I'm gonna show you where it's at. So you want to look in your vehicle and you go look right under here and you'll see this little box right here, and you can just reach there at the top and push down on this and it comes right off. And then you can look at it and it tells you which fuses are for what. And like this is a 20 amp spare, and then you have a 15 amp spare and a 10 amp spare. So these are your spares at the bottom. So we had to use this 20 amp and replace this one right here that says power sockets, the cigarette lighters. So it's a 20 amp fuse. So we took the spare and put it in here and everything worked. So I'm gonna buy another spare to put in the replacement. And as you can see, there go your fuses. Like I said, the one on the right that says 20 amp, that's the one I had to change. So the spare was right there at the bottom. So there go where your fuse boxes are at. So to replace it, put this back on. You see this says up. This on. And you do this one hand and you click, push in. That's it. It snaps into place. So there's where your fuse boxes are located. Here on the 20, it's a 2010 Infiniti G37X. All right, I hope this helped. And subscribe to my channel and have a great day.